Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
GreenCom's profit question is easier than it looks, and we can solve it fast by checking the profit rule first, then calculating the firm's earnings. First, use the profit maximizing condition. Firms stop changing output where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. And here, both are 6. So producing 20 units is already the best output level. Next, compute economic profit using price minus average total cost times quantity. The firm sells each unit for 10, average total cost is 9, and quantity is 20. That gives profit per unit of $1, and across 20 units, the firm earns positive economic profit, so option E is the winner. Well done! Scan now. Don't rush signs. Trust the given numbers and check the steps, because price above average total cost means positive economic profit.